ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Now we are going to study Cauchy's first theorem on limits. In the question paper you will get this, you will get the question on this is like this: state and prove Cauchy's first theorem on limits. Statement is already I have written. If the sequence converges to L, which sequence? Sequence xn converges to L, then the sequence an, where an is average of terms of given sequence, that also converges to L. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Let proof xn be equal to cn plus L. Therefore, x1 is equal to c1 plus L, x2 equals c2 plus L, and so on. Therefore, an is equal to x1 plus x2 plus so on up to plus xn whole divided by n is equal to, now substitute the values of x1, x2 and xn, c1 plus c2 plus cn, and here we get L n times L, you will get whole divided by n. It is nothing but c1 plus c2 plus whole divided by n plus L. Therefore, to prove that, ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜಸ್ ಟು ಎಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜಸ್ ಟು ಝೀರೋ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ to prove an tends to L, we have to prove c1 plus c2 by n tends to 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಸಿ ಎನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸಿ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್. ಸಿ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಲ್, ಸಿ ಎನ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಝೀರೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ನು ಎಲ್ ಕಡೆ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಈ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ನು ಏನಾಗ್ತತಿ, ಸಿ ಎನ್ನು ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚಸ್ ಝೀರೋ. Therefore, for every epsilon positive, there exists m belonging to n, means there exists a natural number m such that mod cn less than epsilon by 2 for every n greater than or equal to m. ಸಿ ಎನ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಝೀರೋ, ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಅದರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಚೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, okay, so meaning of this is, it is nothing but definition of convergent sequence in epsilon form, in modulus form of definition, implies is convergent. And since mod of Cn is less than epsilon by 2 for every n, that means is bounded also. So we can take, it is definition of bounded sequence. To prove one, we have to consider minus 0. Modulus of this is less than, we have to consider this modulus and we have to prove that this modulus is less than epsilon. That means this C1 plus C2 plus so on up to Cn by n, it tends to 0. So to prove this one, consider the modulus of this minus equals, it is nothing but C1 plus C2 plus so on up to plus Cn by n. This is equal to, it is nothing but 1 by n. N is positive, so we can take that outside the modulus sign. C1 plus C2 plus so on up to Cn, Cm plus Cm plus 1 plus so on up to plus Cn equals 1 by n into the brackets mod C1. See here, we are going to apply, okay, we are considering modulus to each and every term of the sequence. So instead of equality, it becomes this plus C2 apply the modulus to, again it is less than or equal to 1 by n into the brackets, apply this. Every modulus of every Cn is less than or equal to m. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ m minus 1 times plus here and after certain stage it is bounded up to m ಅಲ್ಲ. After m modulus is less than epsilon by 2. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ m minus 1 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಮ್ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್ ಬೈ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್ ಬೈ 2 ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, m ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ therefore LHS ಏನೈತಿ, C1 plus up to by n, this is less than or equal to 1 by n into the brackets m minus 1 into capital M plus n minus m plus 1 into equals m minus 1 into m plus n minus m plus 1 less than m minus 1 by n into m plus epsilon by 2. This is also one result. here this stage to this stage. Why this is less than or equal to? Because n minus m plus 1 by n is less than 1. Also, m minus 1 by n into m, it tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. Denominator infinity ಕಡೆ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ 0. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾತೀಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, okay. Therefore, mod of m minus 1 by n into capital M is less than epsilon by 2. It can be made as small as we please. It tends towards 0. Artha. After certain stage. After m annangilla, after m1 anbeku. Let p be maximum of m and m1. Then mod of n less than or equal to epsilon by 2 plus epsilon by 2 is equal to epsilon for every n implies c1 plus c2 plus whole divided by n tends to 0. Meaning of this epsilon modulus definition. Therefore, we proved 1. Therefore, no, hence the theorem, that is an tends to x1 plus x2. An, not an means divided by xn by n, it tends to L.